Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob of Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a special unboxing, if you will. There's two boxes here, and they were both ordered at the same time, and it was when I was on the Crispy Donut Community live stream. I was a guest on there, and I ordered some of these things afterwards, so I'm super excited to get into this. This is a first for me, this type of tool, so let's take a look. Today I'm opening up with my Spyderco Manix 2 with my rock scale designs, titanium scales, and then I have the Flightanium cage ball locking mechanism in there, and of course I have a nice titanium Lynch deep pocket carry clip. Great knife. Highly recommend this. So let me get into them. I'm going to put one box to the side. We'll get into this one first. I think that is it on that. Make sure that's it. Alright, so we have something in here. Oh, what is this? What? Hold on a second here. Oh, got a nice little patch there. I think it's supposed to be a lock bar, but it looks like a knife container. So let's take a look at this. All right, here we go. So we've got the Crispy Donut Community. You want to take a look at that. Essentials, 52. It's a new Era 5250. Cool, I like that. Every day. Nice. 52graves.com. You need to go check them out. Awesome site. And this is the black pry bar tool, and I've always wanted to have one. It's got a little titanium clip. I believe it's titanium. Let's double check. Yep, all titanium. It's got a bottle opener. I like this kind of a purple, if you will. Inner G10. That's really cool on the pry bar. Definitely like a nice little tool, and definitely can have a nice little bottle opener. Very cool. I'm digging that. Now, there's a reason why I wanted to open this other box. So let me bring this one over here. I'm going to put that up here. We're going to open this one here. So let me just go ahead and make sure, shipping and stuff information is not on there. I think we're good, but Okay, so let's see, is there anything in here? All right, so we have another box, some more styrofoam, very cool. Put that down there. What do we have here? Crispy Donut Community again. There we go. Drew and Luke. And here we go. CDC, Crispy Donut Community Essentials. And this is the orange one. So, I like these two, and I think they're really cool. I like the black, but what I wanted to do is I wanted to put the orange on this. I think that would look so sick. So, let's do that. Now, I don't know if you noticed real quick, something I noticed right away. It's like a little itty-bitty pocket knife right there. Do you see that? That's a nice little touch. All right. So very cool. So these are my first pry bars. I don't know how to review them. This is plain. This is coated. I like that. They both have this little can opener. Looks like a bottle opener. It might even be just a full can opener. I don't know. For sure, you can open like a beer or something, which I could certainly try tonight. But I like that. And see, they're the same, and I wanted to see about switching that up. So I'm going to grab my tool real quick. Since we're right here, let's go ahead and do that. We got a little dirt over there. Get rid of that. I think these are they T8s for real? Oh, they are T8s. Very nice. Cool. All right, so I think you can take these out, so let's go ahead and do that. Put those over there. I believe this just comes right out. We'll take it out in a second. Let me take this other one out. I think I might have a tool for that. So if you know Aaron over at 52 Graves, he's not a fan of orange. And so he would never sell the black with orange in it. But I'm a Crispy Donut Community have orange, and orange is one of my favorite colors. So I figured, man, this would just look so nice with the black. I thought, if we're going to do a G10 insert, that would definitely be it. All right, so I don't know how these come out. Let's see if I can use one of my tools here. All right, I'm gonna need my light so I can see a little bit better. Where's my flashlight? Oh, all right. No, I'll have to use the one on me. I wonder if it's being held in here in the back. So let's take this off just in case. Just in case that's holding part of it on there. Once I do that, can I push it through? I don't want to use a sharp point. Let me use this little guy. So I used to take SIM cards out with. Yeah, there we go. So now I have my pry tool from iFixit. That should work. Well, we'll say it's a good fit. It's certainly solid in there. No question about that. I don't want to break it. Yeah, that's in there good. All right, so let's try this other one while we're at it. See if this one comes out a little bit easier. You set up a gun. You are in there really good. Man, those screws were intended never to come out, were they? Dang. Yeah, so this one comes out much easier. Look at that. What other pry tool do I have? Let me see. I can get in there. It's not going to cause any damage. Let's try this. Wow. This is almost impossible to get out. There we go. My goodness, that was in there solid. Jeez Louise. Whew. Might have to file that puppy down a little bit just to be able to get it back in. That is insane. I get tolerances are tight, but this takes tolerances to a new level, right? Try to see if we can get around that a little bit. All right, let me see how we can get this one in here. All right, so I want it to do this. This is what I want it to do. Put this in there. Like that. Look at that. That's going to look sick, I think. And then this will go in here. Like that. So, all right, that was a lot of work. I'm glad it finally got in there, but whoo, I wasn't sure for a second. Are all our screws the same? Yeah, they're all the same. Okay. So I want to make sure. All right, so there you go. That's what I was hoping for right there. That, and then we'll just put this one together over here. I like the contrast. I feel like it accents it a little better. Now, I know some people like all blacked out stuff, and that's fine. If that's what you're into, go for it, man. It's your cup of tea. It's what you want to do. But that's why I got these two, because I wanted to have options, one, and then two, I wanted to do the black purple on the plain tie. I don't know, it just pops to me a little bit better. May not for you, but for me it absolutely pops. So see, I like that. I like that a lot. Not that I didn't like the other one. The other one's cool too, but since I have options, I really wanted to do that. When I saw these, I was like, yeah, that's kind of cool. But what got me was this color combination right there. I don't know if that was Luke. I think it was Luke who had that. And man, that was just so poppin' cool. It was enough for me to go, okay, that speaks to me, right? So I was like, I was all in on that one. All right, so that's what I did. Sorry, I had to use these guys to get it out. I had to pry out the pry bar. Yes, kind of a little irony when you think about that, right? In order to get this out, I had to pry out the pry bar. Could I use the pry bar on it? I could have, but I didn't want to scratch it up. At least the outside of it, at least till I first got a chance to carry it and use it a little bit. But so this is the orange on black. I think this really pops. I like the way this looks a lot. So that to me is pretty cool. And then I like the way this looks too. It's a nice accent on the color. So I think that's pretty cool. My first pry bar, and I figured, yeah, why not? Let's give it a shot and see what happens. I never had a pry bar before, so this is the first time. So we'll see how it goes, but I got two in that, as a matter of fact. Yeah. Got a nice little clip there. Definitely go over. Nice and chamfered all the way around. It's got a nice thick edge there. Definitely going to be used. Nice little hook for opening bottles. Chamfered all the way around. Nice and flat there so you can get in there. I like that. Definitely usable. Small, convenient, so you don't have to, it doesn't have to stand out. You know, when you need to get in there to get something out, I think that's really cool. All right, and I do like the fact that it's a little knife etched in there. So that's a nice little touch there. So, all right, so this one is 52 shades. This one was the CDC. So he was 52 Graves, I believe is the website, 52graves.com. And it came with this, but it had the purple on that one, right? And I know Aaron's going to think I did a little sacrilege there, but hopefully, Aaron, you'll forgive me for it. But I think it looks pretty sick like this. I know that's not your cup of tea, and I get it. And so I apologize if that's a bummer, but I like it. But I love this color, dude, that you had on the black. I love it on that plain titanium. I don't know. To me, that just makes this pop even better. I think this is a more elegant kind of color combination. No offense to the orange on here, and those who love it, go for it. It's your thing, right? But that to me is nice. And then over here, this makes this pop really nicely, right? It's kind of subdued, but yet really nice. So there you go. My first pry bars ever. You probably zoomed through some of that when I had to pry out the pry bar. That was the first time for me. I've never had one before. I will try these out. If I do a review, we'll come back with another one just to talk about it. First time for everything, right? We'll see if I carry them and how much I use them. If I start, you know, like, man, this is a tool that I use all the time, or if it's not. So I will let you guys know, but very interesting. First time to ever try these out. So go check out 52graves.com for the black with the purple. And then I don't know if they still have some on the Crispy Donut community website as well, but they had this plain tie, you know, raw tie with orange. So that's where I got that if you're interested in that. So thanks so much for watching today. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, entertaining, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, hey, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to grow, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you. You guys make this possible. With your help and support, you're instrumental in the growth of the channel. So I very much appreciate you guys. And if you guys are interested, you know, you've been on the edge or interested in becoming a member, there's 3 different tiers. Check it out down below. There's a link for that. I would love to have you join me on this journey. That'd be awesome. And if all you guys, if you haven't already, hit that notification button so you can be notified of future content. And finally, if you haven't checked me out already over on Instagram, please go check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.